Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for joining us for another inspirational moment. My name is Wayne Smith, and I'm a poet. I have a poem that I'd like to share with you today, and it's called God's Toolbox. Within God's toolbox are the wonders of diligently acquired wisdom. Filtered in are the hidden secrets of strength and healing directly from God's kingdom. In God's toolbox there is a passion for wellness, of profound expectations of rejuvenation, and a yearning to find a remedy and a cure with unprecedented anticipation. In God's toolbox there is a can-do attitude that cannot be denied. To corral the courage to do a thing that has never before been tried. In God's toolbox are the powers to lift a soul out of the muddy depths of despair and onto gleaming roads of victory. Inside are tools divinely guided to break new ground, find new discoveries, and to make history. God's toolbox is adorned with counselors of compassion and humility, angels of mercy. The serene touch of safety and security. This toolbox is a funnel for relieving pain and problem solving, where wisdom and experience is essential. Time is crucial and of the essence. That is why this toolbox is justified and covered and blessed with God being ever present. Thank you for joining me for this inspirational moment. Stay tuned for another inspirational moment. God bless you. God bless the world.